I'm opening up my, what is it called now? I done turned the camera on. Let's see. Thing called Loop De Loom. Here we go, Loop De Loom. Here we go, Loop De Loom. All on a Thursday night. Okay, it came with a ball of yarn, and it came with some of these. So they go in here. Alright, so let me assemble this and show you how it's percolating. Stay tuned. Okay, I just took these out of the big pack. I'm going to see if these are just extras. So I'm going to put these in and see what's going on, what we have left. Right, I've put all the ones that was in the first pack in, and there's 3 holes left. So I'm not sure why these 3 was left out. I looked in the book to see if there was maybe a 3-peg project, but I don't see it just with the illustrations. I got them all in. Now, they are all facing how they're supposed to go. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. So now I'm going to thready. The yarn that it came with is Loop De Loom yarn. See if I can see it. Okay, it makes weaving simple fun. 100%. No, 110 M. 120 yards. 100% acrylic. Okay, so y'all see the stacks. Y'all see the stacks. And there's the yarn with that acrylic shine. Like, all right. So let me keep going. All right, it looks like I'm doing the correct thing. Here I've started some rows, so I'll keep going. Right, this is as far as I'm going to go because my tails aren't that long. Like, they're about 11 inches, and this is the end tails here. So if I keep going, I won't have enough to tie. So I'm gonna leave myself some room to tie the yarn ends. All right, here I have what I've done, and I'm gonna stop right here and take this off because I didn't make the tail that long. This is only like 11 inches. So from here to there, is it 11 inches twice? It's 11 inches folded, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop it right here. Here it is right here. And yeah, go to the next step. All right, let's try to get this next step done. Okay, the next step requires us to pull the pegs out and take the yarn off of the peg at the top. So let's go. See if this is a good angle. That's a better angle. what to do first. Right, taking the pegs out. It's looking like that. Alright, here it is here. So now I gotta look up the next step, because the next step I have to do something with this live strand here. This is a live strand. I just had to readjust it back. Okay, let's see. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay, now I gotta see what to do with that live string. I am tying the ends. I'm starting with this end. I didn't alternate end tying. I thought I could tie this side and then come over and tie this side. So I hope that works out for me. You take one thread from the other side and then two from this side and tie them together so that your work can be tied together. Adjust your knot before you make the knot, and these ends here were like just enough. Maybe if I had to scoot it down, maybe I would have had a little bit more room, but I haven't even cut it. So this is how much I gave myself. That's about, I don't know, 20, oh yeah, probably 11 inches. I wanna. So anyways, next time I need to give myself some more yarn. I think this is 11 inches from here to here. It could, I think it's altogether 22 inches altogether. So 22 inches was enough just to make this piece here. Okay, let me finish knotting these up. Right, here's the piece all knotted up. Seems to kind of have shrunken just a bit. I guess how I knotted it up. I just wanted to make sure I got it close, because this one I had to like double knot because it wasn't as close. So yeah, knotting seems to be a skill. Looks like I did it though. It's close. And now let's see what's going on with it now. It's all knotted up. Let's see if it could. All right, here's a little bed that I have, and I thought, the little bed. I thought this would be a cover, but it's looking more like not a cover. Maybe a pillow, perhaps. Okay, let me see what this is gonna be besides a throw rug. Maybe a rug for the doll bed, or a pillow. Well, that has been my looming project on the Loop De Loom. Now I'm going to edit the video and put it together so you all can see it. Thank you all for your beautiful comments. And clicking the thumbs up button, and encouraging me to craft with yarn and other crafts. Thank you so much. Have a good day now. Right, here is the pillow that I made for the baby bed, the baby doll bed. I just wrapped it both ends, and then I took the longest tail and wrapped around to make a decorative pillow.
I love you, Mama.
For the bed. I love you too. What I have so far, I got another step I would like to do with this. It's a doll pillow sham. I left room for a little pillow and room to stuff and fluff. So this is my little pillow sham that I have created, that I've woven. And yeah, you see the room I made kept to stuff and fluff. You can fluff it, you can stuff it, you can leave it like that. It's a magical pillow sham. So what I'm going to do is another step, but I'm going to go ahead, create this video so you all can see, and then I'm going to do another step because I was thinking of this as a pillow sham and how people don't like some people don't like tassels, so I'm going to do something with that. So see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.